Hello everyone, so this is our 32th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can update our job or how we can edit our job detail from our company model. So here you can see whenever we click on a manage job and project, there will be a job list as well as the project list have been open. So in our today's video we will discuss about how we can edit this kind of job details from here. So whenever I am clicking on edit button, there will be a form open, and that form we do some kind of changes like if we want to check the job title, we want to check change the required skills or job type or a salary. So this kind of details we can fix from the particular form. On that form we show this all kind of details, and from next video we update that kind of detail from our that particular form. So this kind of things we discuss in this particular video. So here you can see in our previous video we were discuss about how we can manage our job and project that posted by the company. Here you can see this kind of work we done in our previous video, and that previous video in 13th video we discuss about showing accepted as well as the rejected job application separately. Okay, so let's start this video. So now first thing we have to do, here you can see this one is our history and activities of our job. So whenever I am clicking on edit button, there will be a form or interface open. On that interface we have to show these all kind of details. So first thing we have to do in this task is that we have to load that particular page. So we have to come to a drive, and that drive there is a particular page. That page we have to update on our project. Okay, so we have to come to a drive. So here you can see now I came to my drive, and here you can see there is a HTML files. Open that, and there is a pages, and in that pages there is a page called as the edit job details.jsp. So you have to download that particular page, and from that page now you can easily show that particular interface on that page. Okay, so I already have that particular type of page, so I can directly copy that code from that page. Okay, so now here you can see I open that code in our VS Code. Now I simply copy this code from here and come to my project. Now here in our pages folder I am just creating one JSP page, and that JSP page I paste this all kind of code. Okay, so new other JSP, click on that, give some kind of name to your page, that is edit job details. Click on enter, and you have to paste this all kind of code on this page. Okay, so Control V, then you have to come to your company controller, and here for load that page we have to write the mapping for that page. So I'm just writing public string edit job details, then curly braces. Above that we have to write the request mapping. In that request mapping we have to give the path of that load of that particular page. So edit job data, and return on similar kind of page. So I just simply copy this particular mapping from here, copy and paste. So now whenever someone call the edit job data, that page will redirect on a edit job data page. Okay, so I think our page name is different, that is edit job details. So we have to change according to that in our return. So edit job details, so I'm just changing details. So now check out now this is working or not. So we have to copy this mapping from here and come to the history job and project.jsp page. Now here you can see this is the information we shown on that page. Now here you can see this is two button, that is edit or remove. So in href there is a mapping of edit job, so we have to replace this mapping with our original mapping, that is edit job data. And let's check it out now our page is loading or not. So we have to come to our browser and refresh this page from here. Here you can see our page is refreshed successfully. Now click on a edit button. Here you can see the left bottom side edit job data, click on that. Now our page is not loading here because some of the reason the project not getting path of our project. So for that we have to come to our project, click on double click on that, then properties, then we have to copy this all mapping from here, that is a project Spring MVC Java 1. We have to copy that and we have to paste before our page mapping. So slash, then our page project name, and again slash. Now check it out, it is loading or not. Again I am just refreshing this project from here and click on a edit button. Okay, it is not showing because I think we apply here the for each loop, so I have to remove this for each loop from here. So for each remove from bottom side as well as the upper side of page. So I just remove that and again click on a refresh button. Now here you can see our page is successfully loaded here. Now our task is that we have to show the all kind of details on this particular page, and in our next video we will discuss about how we can update this information from here. So our today task is that we have to show that same information on that particular page. So how we can do that? So if you were to come on this page again, and here you can see this is the edit button, and we already applied the for each loop. So by the help of id we can easily get that data on our next page. Okay, so I'm just writing a slash, then dollar sign, then curly braces, then e.id. Now check it out, our id is coming here or not. So I have to again refresh this page from here, refresh, and click on edit button. Now here you can see left bottom side edit job data /5, and same kind of condition edit job data /6. So individually now we can get that data on our next page. Okay, so for that we have to come to a controller. This is the company controller, and we have to write here as a slash, a curly braces, id, complete the this bracket, and in that mapping we have to write the path variable and address. So path variable int id, and we have to write one method. So by the help of that method we can easily get that data. So I'm just writing a pd, which is project dot pd dot get job data, and in this we have to pass our id. So id is automatically come here. Now we have to put a semicolon, get job data of company. I'm just rename this method and click on that, and it will showing us create method in project doc. Click on that, and here you can see our method is successfully created here. Now we have to change the return type from here. So I'm just writing a list post job. Then we have to write one method here, that is the return t1 dot query. Now we have to pass one query. So by the help of that query we can get that data from here. So I'm just writing a select start from post job where id equal to single colon double colon plus plus this id. Okay, now we have to write new row mapper. So new row mapper, okay, row mapper, then brackets, then curly braces, then semicolon. Then we have to come to in between our curly braces, then click on enter, and now we have to add the unimplemented method here. Okay, so this kind of bracket we forget here. Now we have to add unimplemented method. In that bracket we have to pass our class name also, so post job. Now click on that and add unimplemented method. Now simple is that we have to set and get all kind of value from here, so we can easily show that data. So in our previous video we already showed that value on our manage job section. So here you can see this one is the value. So I just simply copy this value from here and come to this kind of mapping and paste here. So now p1 has all kind of value, and by the help of that p1 we can easily get all kind of data in our controller. So we have to get this entire thing into one list, and by the help of model map we can easily show that data. So I'm just writing a list post job. I'm just writing here job details equal to this all kind of data. So job details has all kind of data. Now we have model map class. With the help of that class we can easily show that data. So model map mm, and model map class has a one method, that is add attribute. So dot add attribute. With the help of this method we can easily show the data. So we have to pass one value and key here. So value is automatically come. Now we have to pass our key, that is the job details of company. So this one is a value. Now with the help of this value we can easily show our data. So we have to copy this key from here and come to our edit job details.jsp. Now we have to simply apply our for each loop, and by the help of for each loop we can easily show the data. So less than bracket c colon for each. In that we have to write items equal to double colon, then dollar sign, then curly braces, then paste our key. Then we have to write here as a where is equal to e. Then we have to close this for each loop bottom of this form. So I'm just remove this from here and paste on here. Okay, so this one, this side I just fetch the for each loop. Okay, now everything is done. Now with the help of e we can easily show the data. So first one is a job description. So here we have to add one tag, that is a value. So in text area there is a not that particular tag, so we directly show that data. So in our class there is some kind of variables we declare, that is the post job. So here you can see this one. Now description as it is, we have to copy the description from here and come to our edit job details. So e dot description, okay, done. Then title, we have to check the title. What is the title? So title is as it is, we have to remove the j from here, so title is as it is. Now next one is the skills. So skills is as it is, so we have to remove the s from here, j from here. Now full-time role or part-time role, this is the thing that come automatically. What is the salary? So j salary, so salary is as it is. Then company name and company email, so I have to check that is a name and email. So everything is now set. We have to change the name and email. Okay, so now I think that everything is set here. Now check it out, now it is working or not. So for that we have to rerun our project, and I check it out now, our data is showing here or not. If we some kind of error, we can easily solve that. So here you can see my new project is loaded here. Now I just simply log into my company module, login as a company. So now here you can see I just log into my company module, and whenever I'm just clicking on a manage job and project, there will be an interface open, and if we click on a edit button, let's see our detail is showing or not. So click on edit, and now here you can see now our all details is successfully coming here. That is job description, job title, that is the relevant skill required for that job, this is the salary of that particular job that company offering, this is the company name and company email. So I think we done our task successfully in this video. That is how we can show this data on our next page. So similar kind of thing, here you can see this is the position for GET, skill required is communication and personality, full-time role, click on that. And here you can see this one is also successfully coming here, that is a job title is GET, communication and personality, and package is 6 LPA. So I think our task is now successfully completed in our manage job section. In our next video we will discuss about how we can update this data from here. So whenever I'm just clicking on update button, if I want to change the position, for example I want to change the position as a freelancing, so I can easily update from there. If I want to change the job description, if I want to do some kind of changes in job description, I can easily do that changes from here. So this kind of things we will discuss in our next video. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In this video we will discuss about how we can show this kind of job details on our next page, and we can do some kind of changes in our next page. Okay, so this is all about today's video. If you didn't watch our previous video, I request you please watch this video. You will get lots of benefits from that. And if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you in next video. Thank you so much.